Hi there. Here are the top 5 things that you must keep in mind before filling up your NEET MDS application forms. Point number 1. Register with an email address and a phone number that you can keep till the end of your counseling. It is necessary that you save all the credentials of these accounts because you will have to log in again and again. Point number 2. Fill in the application form very carefully and provide all the details that are asked in the form. And in case if you've already registered before in a previous year test, you'll be required to provide your roll number from the previous exam. Point number 3 is upload all the documents as specified. You can find the details of these documents and their specifications in a different video, and I've attached the link below in the captions. Point number 4, pick your test city carefully. Make sure that you figured out all the logistics and travel plans prior to your exam to avoid any last minute stress. And point number 5, pay your fees and make sure you print your form. With regards to paying your fees, sometimes you may face technical glitches and the payment may not go through. In that case, do not rush in making the payment again. Rather, call the helpline number and ask for assistance. I hope this video was useful. Do check out the other videos with regards to NEET MDS preparation from Meritus. Thank you and good luck.